We are in La Jolla Village, La Jolla, California, and I'm with lighting expert and designer Anna Palmer. And Anna, I know you've been in the business a long time, and I know you've got a lot of experience in the industry. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your history and experience, and what makes you the person that people should want to work with when they're looking for lighting?
I have had Palmer Design for 17 years. My background, I came out of Parsons School of Design. I have a degree in architecture, and somehow that just transpired into having a lighting design and fabrication company. I've been doing this primarily working with the design trade, architects and interior designers, all the way from just a table lamp, a floor lamp, to entire projects, doing the interior and the exterior lighting. So all of that is available depending on the size and scope of your project. We do lighting consultation for lighting layout for people. And as I say, we fabricate. We do a lot of our own fabrication. We have our collection of lighting, as well as several lighting collections and design companies that we also distribute and represent.
That's awesome. And the Palmer, or what school, what did you graduate from?
Parsons School of Design, which is a design school.
That is a very well-known school, and that definitely is highly accredited in that field. So if people want to get a hold of you, what is the best way to reach you? If there's somebody out there right now that needs help with setting up lighting within their home, or designing exactly how they want to format that interior, exterior, what's the best way to reach you?
Well, if they're local, they're welcome to walk into the design studio. The address is 7863 Herschel Avenue in La Jolla, California, 92037. The phone number is 858-551-1350. The email address is info@palmer-design.com. And we also work with a lot of people that are across the country, not solely in the state of California, in which case start communicating via email or telephone call.
That's awesome. Well, Anna, thank you so much for your time today, and we will definitely make sure that this gets posted on YouTube where lots of people can find it.
Perfect.
And if you're out there in the area, in the San Diego area, give Anna a call. Again, her phone number is 858-551-1350. Thanks a lot, Anna.
Thank you.